In today's video, we're making spicy chicken salad. It's my favorite recipe. I love using it on top of bed of greens or like today in a hefty sandwich. Let's get started. I'm gonna mix my wet ingredients first and then add the chicken. And first thing I'm gonna do is juice a lemon. It gives it a nice, fresh and zesty flavor. Directly in the bowl where I'm gonna mix everything, I'm gonna juice my lemon. Next, we're gonna add our mayo or Greek yogurt, some salt. I'm gonna use Creole Seasoning for this, or you can use Cajun seasoning for spice, some pepper. Now I'm gonna use a couple dashes of my favorite smoky hot sauce, but you can use whichever one you want and as much as you want. The key of the heat and the spice in this salad is the Creole or Cajun seasoning, whichever one you wanna use, not necessarily the hot sauce. And then with a fork, I'm gonna mix it all up. Now you can save yourself some time and use a whole rotisserie chicken and just shred it, or cook and poach your chicken and place it in your salad bowl. And to that, I'm gonna add some finely chopped celery. I like finding little crispy chunks in my chicken salad. And then with my fork again, I just start mixing to combine that spicy dressing that we had for our chicken salad with our chicken and the other ingredients. Come close and check out the texture of this chicken salad. I just love it because although it's creamy and delicious, it's not super mayo and wet. So good. I did tell you I came here to make myself a sandwich. Learn to shred your chicken in 60 seconds with this next video. See you guys next time.